Hi, my name is Jack Hennessy, and this is my introduction video for my final draft for my portfolio. I got some good reviews and a lot of good feedback. First feedback I implemented was putting a picture in my background to show, more than just the blank default picture. I think it brings more context to where I'm from, and I think it shows people that are seeing it, it's a real account and not just an account that just hasn't been worked on or kind of just like a default account that someone just made just initially. There's been some work put into it, so I added that to try and draw the viewers in more to what's in the rest of my portfolio. So I didn't change much other than that. Here's my introduction. I wanted to put my reflective essay. This tells a little bit about myself, what I've learned from the content that is in the portfolio. And I wanted to put it at the top because I think it'll just tell a lot about myself. So I think it'd be a good introduction. And also just some basic information about me. My skills are on the left here. This will pertain to all the other artifacts that I put into the portfolio. I added, I believe, I don't, I believe I added this since my first draft as a web designer. I wanted to include this in my work experience more than just where I work at Bethesda Chocolates as a barista. I made a template for a website that you can use, and I implemented what I learned in INST 311 information organization about user experience design and search mastery and just learning or just implementing those design principles. So I feel like that's a good showing of my knowledge of UX design or web design, and I have those skills um, down here at the bottom. I put my education right next to it, right below it. I wanted to go in order of things that I felt that were most important for the viewer to see about me in order. Um, so I didn't attach any problems here, any projects here. I wanted to attach them to particular courses. So here are my courses, and this is where a lot of my information is. So these are 3 courses that I felt that displayed 3 different skills for me and 3 different skills that I wanted to display. Um, so this gives a little short couple paragraphs about what the class is, what you learn in the class. I read the syllabus for these classes, so I made sure it was reliable and it was correct. Here's my projects. Each of these, there's the content in it. Read a little bit about what the project's about. I wanted to make sure that I explained what went into the project and what skills I learned out of the project. And also at the bottom, I wanted to make sure the reader knows what this is about and what this accomplishes. And I basically, I followed um, a similar strategy for the other ones, for the other classes. And so that's it. Thank you.